A very good morning to you all, guys. This is Asia, and welcome to my channel Subject Booster. So, it is really good to see that one of you have commented that I should use one more language or another way of explaining the thing, and I appreciate and for your comment, and I would like to try to do that. Okay, so here in today's class we are going to start with another new unit, and it is your 10th standard concept. Okay, so here from now onwards the 10th standard chapters will be covered. So the first chapter what I would like to deal is heredity and evolution. Okay, so that means what do you mean by heredity and what do you mean by evolution, we should know that. So यहाँ पर जो है हमें जानना है कि हेरिडिटी और एवोल्यूशन क्या है. तो जब भी हम एक यूनिट स्टार्ट करते हैं तो जब तक हमें उसका मतलब या मीनिंग पता नहीं चलता कि हमें ये यूनिट क्यों दिया गया है, हमें ये क्यों पढ़ना है और उस टॉपिक का मतलब क्या है, उसके एम्स और ऑब्जेक्टिव्स क्या है. सो व्हाट आर द एम्स एंड ऑब्जेक्टिव. अनलेस एंड अनटिल वी कम टू नो दैट वी कैन नॉट understand the lesson. Okay, so now right now when we are talking about heredity and evolution, here what do you mean by heredity, we should know that. So the first definition, as you can see here, the transmission of characters from parents to their offsprings is known as heredity. So by the way, it is an introduction class for this lesson. Okay, so here what they are saying is the transmission of characters from the parents to their offsprings is known as heredity. So यहाँ पर क्या कहा जा रहा है कि जो कैरेक्टर्स होते हैं वो माता पिता से अपने बच्चों को आ जाते हैं. Example I can give you here is so like you might have listened your elders, or they'll be saying, your mom, dad, or sometimes any other person might be saying, oh you look exactly like your father, oh you look exactly like your mother, see your what to say hair are like your mom or dad, like that they'll be saying. Like how it is, जैसे कि क्या. सो मतलब क्या है, जैसे कि माँ बाप से अपने बच्चों को कैरेक्टर्स पास होते हैं. तो मीनिंग व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय दिस ट्रांसमिशन कैरेक्टर्स एंड ऑल. सो व्हेन यू सी एल्डर्स, सो लाइक जो आपके घर पर बड़े हैं या कोई भी हो, तो वो क्या करते हैं, आपको आकर कभी कभार कहते हैं कि आप उनके आप जो हैं अपने डैड के जैसे हो. जैसे कैरेक्टर्स में कैसे, जैसे कि बाल हो सकते हैं आपके, बाल का जो स्ट्रेट होते हैं कुछ लोगों के बाल, कुछ लोगों के बाल कर्ल होते हैं. और आँख भी कह सकते हैं, कुछ लोगों की आँखें जो है नीली होती है. यहाँ पर नीली होना लाजमी नहीं है. आई मीन टू से हियर इट इज़ वेरी रेयर टू बी द लेंस और द आइरिस कलर टू बी ग्रीन. ओके, सो लेकिन बहुत सारी जगह होते हैं. Like okay, so it can be brown, or even it can be so many characters whatever you see. So those are nothing but the heredity. So here it is nothing but the transmission of characters from parents to their offsprings is known as heredity. यहाँ पर heredity का मतलब क्या है, जो characters अपने माँ बाप से उनके बच्चों को ट्रांसफ़र हो रहे हैं उसे हम heredity कहते हैं. So I hope you might have understood the definition of heredity over here. So in this unit we are going to study about the things that is about the Mendel's law of inheritance. So यहाँ पर हम पढ़ेंगे Mendel's law of inheritance. So Mendel's के 3 लॉ हैं, एक है law of dominance, एक है law of segregation और एक है law of independent assortment. So we are going to study about this, and here we are also going to study about the genotype and the what do you mean by saying that is a phenotype, like pea plant, what experiments he conducted and all. तो यहाँ पर हम जानने वाले हैं कि मेंडल के 3 लॉ कौन से हैं. ओके, लॉ ऑफ इंडिपेंडेंट असॉर्टमेंट भी है, लॉ ऑफ सेग्रीगेशन है, लॉ ऑफ डोमिनेंस है. सो यहाँ दैट ऑल्सो along with this we are going to study about what is phenotype, what is genotype, what will happen in the experiments which he did. Okay, during monohybrid cross what happens, we will see that. Okay, now here also we can see physical and chemical basis of heredity. In what way we can determine the sex determination of a baby is done. Like यहाँ पर हम जान सकते हैं कि physical and chemical basis of heredity means कैसे एक बेबी का like it is a boy or a girl कैसे पता कर सकते हैं हम इन द टर्म्स ऑफ फिजिकल एंड केमिकल एस्पेक्ट्स में वो जानेंगे. देन नाउ एज वी नो द टॉपिक इज हेरिडिटी. सो वी हैव सीन द मीनिंग ऑफ हेरिडिटी. यहाँ पर हमने हेरिडिटी का मीनिंग समझ लिया, तो एवोल्यूशन का भी तो समझना है. तो यहाँ पर एवोल्यूशन का मीनिंग है, इट इज़ अ सीक्वेंस ऑफ ग्रेजुअल चेंजेस विच टेक प्लेस इन द primitive organism over millions of years which in which new species are produced. So यहाँ पर क्या कहा जा रहा है कि sequence of gradual changes. sequence माने बहुत से वक्त के बाद में सीक्वेंस, एक के बाद एक के बाद जो कहते हैं सीक्वेंस में होंगे. जैसे 1 के बाद 2 ही आएगा, 2 के बाद 3 ही आएगा, ऐसे सीरीज भी बोलते हैं इसको. तो वैसे ग्रेजुअल चेंजेस मतलब कुछ ऐसे चेंजेस होने लगते हैं, इंसान में हो या जानवर में हो या फिर किसी चीज़ में होने लगते हैं. तो उन चेंजेस को place to place takes place from primitive organism. Primitive organism means the first organism कह सकते हैं. In organisms the first organism is nothing but primitive most is amoeba here. ओके. सो बहुत सारे ऐसे हैं, लेकिन मैं यहाँ पर जनरल अमीबा कंसिडर कर रही हूँ. ओके. देन मिलियंस ऑफ ईयर्स मतलब सालों लग जाते हैं कि न्यू स्पीशीज प्रोड्यूस होने में. सो आई होप यू माइट हैव अंडरस्टूड दिस. ओके. But still let me give you a general example out of it. So here for you it is a general changes which takes place from in a primitive organism. Okay, millions of years it requires. So you might have everybody will watch the TV, right? So you might have seen there was one advertise which was coming often and often on the TV about the Mentos. Okay, you might have seen what to say, donkey and a monkey will be always dominated by the donkey. Later on the monkey will grow up from stone age, modern age and so on, and then finally he will become erect and become like a man, and he will use that donkey for his work. So that is a kind of advertise, but they have spoken a very good meaning in it. That is nothing but the changes which has taken place from a monkey to a man. Okay, like this the things called as evolution. Okay, so अगर आपने नहीं देखा है तो कोशिश कीजिएगा कि देख लें एक बार. If not, we have so many. When I'll be explaining you this lesson, I'll explain you what are those examples according with the examples. Okay, so like this. So this is it. And in evolution we are going to study about what is homologous organs, what is analogous organ. Okay, then we'll study about fossils. Fossil का मतलब क्या है, theories of evolution, किसने क्या evolution के बारे में theory दी है. यहाँ पर जो है हम Darwin की theory of evolution, we can see the Darwin's theory of evolution. What does the Darwin's theory of evolution means, what is speciation. Okay, then classification. Evolutions are classified into 3 types. Okay, so what are those? Each and every concept will be studied over here. Okay, so I hope you might have understood today's class. If there is any kind of a doubt or you have not understood, so I have tried to speak in both the languages here. So even in English also and even in Hindi also. So do you like me to say only in Hindi or it is in English? You have to comment on it. Okay, or else you want separate videos only for English and only for Hindi. Either you want both also is fine with me. So you can just comment and say me. Okay, so I'll be waiting for your comments and for your things. If you like the explanation, if you like if you feel like there are some a bit efforts at least, so you can just like, comment and subscribe my channel. So till then, thank you.